Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing some luxury new in items from the outnet. If you enjoy luxury fashion, definitely subscribe and stick around. I have loads of luxury content coming up. If you enjoy that, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's start with shoes first because I know that's what I'm most excited about. I put a reel on Instagram of these shoes already, so you might have seen that. My Instagram is at the _pencil_skirt, so make sure to follow me over there if you want to see the fashion first. I post there first more so than YouTube, so follow along there if you're interested. The first pair of shoes I bought, well the only pair, is from the brand AQUAZZURA, and they are a pair of red booties. So I'm very excited about these. Great colour. So they are tight to the ankle, a lovely red suede boot. I think this works so well in winter and spring and also autumn as well. Red is such a good colour for a lot of seasons. I always tend to go for red as pop-up colour in my outfits because it works so well in like 3 seasons out of 4. But let me just put one down here so I can show you better. They're like a mid-range heel. I think this is 85 on the heel there, so not too bad. Absolutely ideal for daytime. There's a nice zip closure on the back here, and as I mentioned, it's quite tight to the ankle, which I find very flattering on the leg as well. Now, obviously the suede finish is just really nice. I love that finish on a boot. You can obviously dress this up or dress it down. So you can't wear this kind of in the rain though, so that's the only thing. You'd have to spray this with a suede protector. That's the only thing. With Irish weather being so bad, it's not the most ideal of boots to be wearing. I think this works really well, and I was very happy to see these on the website. They also have these available in a blush pink and like a leopard print, and they're the exact same boot, same size and same heel. The point toe is my favourite silhouette on boots. Next item I picked up is this dress from Victoria Beckham, and it's a lovely pale pink kind of rose petal colour, which I thought was really nice. What's interesting about this dress is that it has a drop waist and there is a tie closure here if you need to pull it in a bit more, so that's quite handy. So I got my usual size in this and it was perfect. Don't think they have this in any other colour. They might have it in black actually, I'll double check that. So yeah, that's a really nice colour for spring, summer, trying to get the brightness into my wardrobe again. And I love the finish on that as well. It just feels really nice. It's nice and cool for the springtime as well. I'm not going to try these items on today, but if you want to see, I will insert a picture on the screen so you can see what that looks like on, or you can just check on my Instagram after this video as well. That's the first dress, and I also picked up a second dress. This is the second dress. It's by a brand called MAJE, M-A-J-E. I've never shopped with the brand there before, so I'm not 100% on that pronunciation. This is a lovely pink tweed dress, kind of 60s style in the skirt as well. I thought that was really nice. I did pick this up in a size 6, and I think that this is a little bit small for me. It's wearable, but it's just not quite comfortable, and I think I'll definitely be sending this dress back. I don't know if they have a size 8 available, but I prefer the Victoria Beckham dress. But for spring, summer, I think this is really nice, especially in Ireland. One day it's raining and one day it's warm, so you just don't know. It's very tricky season, spring, summer. to dress appropriately. This dress is quite heavy, so it's appropriate for like February, March, when it's still a little bit cold. For example, we're supposed to get snow next week, so you know, you never really know what's happening, but it's quite a nice dress. I thought that was very, very cute. I like the neckline, I like the little collar on it. It's quite a nice dress, but I don't think I'll be hanging on to it because it is quite pink. A bit of a Barbie pink, if you ask me. It's coming up a little bit red on camera next to those boots over there, but it is like a Barbie pink, and I just don't know if I have that much in my wardrobe that would go with this. So I don't think I'll really get much wear out of this kind of colour. I thought it was more kind of reddy pink. It just reminds me a little bit of a school dress, which I'm not that into either. So this one, although it's a lovely dress and lovely material, I don't think I will be keeping this item. Quite early into the season as well for a spring summer fashion, but if you are interested in luxury fashion, as I mentioned, do subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Do leave me a comment below telling me what your favorite item was. Mine is definitely the AQUAZZURA booties, so leave me a comment to let me know what your favorite thing was, and I'll see you in the next video.